Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices so pairing is immediate. Make sure headphones have charge above 20% and are powered off. This avoids interrupted pairing. On your phone or source, open Bluetooth settings and keep the screen active so you can accept prompts. Once done, press and hold the headphones power or pair button until the LED alternates or the voice prompt says pairing. This forces Bluetooth discoverable mode. Doing these steps in order prevents stale connections and speeds discovery. Now you'll select and confirm the connection. In the Bluetooth list on your source, tap the exact Sony model name. That's how devices match. If a PIN prompt appears, enter 0000 or simply confirm on screen. Most modern devices auto-approve for security. After you tap, wait for the connected status and listen for the voice prompt or play a short audio clip to verify audio routing. If you use multiple sources, prioritize the device you want to use now so profiles don't conflict. Finish by confirming features and addressing common failures. You should enable media and phone call access in Bluetooth settings so noise cancellation and mic routing work correctly. If pairing fails or headphones won't appear, reset them by holding power plus volume for 7 to 10 seconds to clear previous pairings. This often fixes stubborn issues. Finally, install the Sony Headphones Connect app and apply firmware updates. Updates resolve compatibility problems and improve connection stability, which prevents repeat pairing headaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.